Hi everybody, I am that nursing prof and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the do's and the don'ts of forming a study group. So my first do is form a study group. It's only going to help you. Don't let your group study sessions be your only study sessions. You still have to study even individually when you're not with your group. So don't let your group time be your only study time. Do come prepared. Come prepared to learn, come prepared to study, and come prepared to do a little bit of teaching and helping out your classmates. Don't be a passive learner. Don't just show up to your group study sessions and expect your classmates and your peers to teach you everything. I have seen that, where a student does not even go to class. They don't attend class, but then they attend the group study sessions and they expect their classmates and their peers to act like their professor. First of all, that's not being a very good friend to your classmate, right? And then second of all, that's not actually a very good way for you to learn the material. Do get involved in a lively discussion about what you're talking about and what you're learning about. The more you talk about it with each other, the more you're going to understand it, and the more the people in your group are going to understand it. Don't waste everybody's time sitting around complaining about things you have no control over, like your grade on the last exam, things you can no longer change. Don't focus on the negative. And then do set a schedule. So don't meet randomly, like, oh, hey, we're after class now, let's go to the library for 20 minutes. No. Set a study schedule with your study group. We're going to meet every Tuesday from 5 to 6 in the library. That's going to keep you accountable and your classmates accountable in the group. So do set a study schedule for your group. Don't spend your group study time doing things you could do by yourself, like making flashcards. This is not the time to make flashcards. This is the time to bounce ideas off each other. So don't spend your group time doing things you could do at the individual level. Do share your resources. So yes, you're all in the same class and you all have the same teacher and you all had the same lecture, but you didn't all take the same notes. So maybe you caught something that your classmate didn't, that your group mate didn't, or maybe they caught some information that you didn't get. So share your resources. Maybe you're with somebody who's already made a study guide for themselves. Maybe they can share that with you. So share your resources, share your notes. It's going to help you and the group overall succeed. The biggest takeaway I want you to get from this video is that you should form a study group. I know getting into nursing school and doing all the prereqs at that point of the game, everything is very competitive, right? And you're not here to make friends. But now you're in school together, you are here to make friends. You are here to build those relationships. So definitely form a study group. It's only going to help you. So that's my video on the do's and don'ts of starting a study group. If you have any extra things that you and your study group do that's been successful, let me know. Or if there's anything in the don't category that I didn't bring up that I should have, let me know that too. And if not, I'll see you on the next one.